Don't overthink your pizza sauce. You only need a few simple ingredients. You don't need any fancy cooking techniques or a ton of time to make great sauce at home. Let's get started.
First off, I know there are a ton of already prepared pizza sauce options available to you. And if you have absolutely no time to prepare your own, they'll do just fine. However, if you look at the ingredients on most of these sauces, you'll notice that they are usually packed with excess sugar, bioengineered ingredients, tons of preservatives, and natural flavors, which is just code for chemicals made in a lab that taste sorta like real food. A better option is to grab a can of straight San Marzano tomato, organic if you can find them. You'll notice that the ingredients are just tomato, salt, and basil. Fun fact, almost all cans of San Marzano will contain a few basil leaves. This is so the manufacturer can avoid paying a tariff on exporting straight tomato. It's a clever little workaround those squirrely Italians figured out a few decades ago. Okay, toss your tomato and the juices from the can into a food processor or blender. Then measure out 1 teaspoon of good sea salt and toss that in. Next, get a 1/4 cup of good olive oil into the mixer with that. Finally, I'll be adding 3 to 4 basil leaves. I'll pulse everything for 15 to 20 seconds, just enough to grind the tomatoes and mix everything up. The longer you blend, the more seeds you'll chop up, which will make your sauce bitter. It might also result in a loose sauce instead of a nice thick sauce. And that's it, a bright, tangy pizza sauce that's ready to use. It might seem too good to be true, but give this sauce a shot on your next pizza, and I bet you'll be amazed by just how simple and craveable it is. Hey, if you like this little quickie video, why not hit that subscribe button so you can get a lot more of them? Okay, kisses. Mwah.